If I had to sell a digital product automatically this month without having to post every single day, this is the exact system that I would build. Okay, so the first thing you are going to start with is one platform, okay? That's building on one platform, using one platform. And by that, I mean having a platform that delivers things automatically. You can do email campaigns, it has funnels, everything, okay? There is no point these days using 5 different tools to do 5 different things because it makes it too complicated and it's really hard to connect everything together. So the tool that I use is System.io. Now, it literally has everything. Everything that I've mentioned, it has everything. I am yet to find something that System.io doesn't do when it comes to delivering digital products. Even you can actually even create digital products on there as well. So definitely stick with one platform, because once you have one platform and you understand the ins and outs of it, you just get better at it. You learn the tech side of things, and systems and processes, the one thing about them is that they are repeatable and that they're easy to learn. Like, yes, they come out with new features and functions and things like that, but once you get sort of the baseline, like, you've learned it. And that is like a great place to be in. The second thing you're going to want to do is build one funnel, okay? Don't build 5 funnels on System.io. I know it's really hard to like get like shiny star syndrome or shiny tech syndrome or whatever they call it, but just build one funnel, one very simple funnel, okay? It doesn't have to be really fancy. It doesn't have to be super complicated. Just learning to build one funnel will help you understand like headlines, design, the actual system itself of how it actually like sells the digital product, because typically people are used to going onto like a shop website and just purchasing through a cart that way. It's a very, very different process when you're using a funnel. So build one funnel and learn that and you'll be sweet. The third thing you want to do is you want to have one core product, okay? So one core digital product that you've created, it's really, really good and you've researched it really well and it's just very simple, okay? Don't be trying to create 50 different funnels with 50 different digital products and trying to do all of the things all at once, because it's just going to overcomplicate things and it's going to make it really difficult, okay? So when you are starting out and when you're trying to sell digital products automatically without having to post heaps and heaps of content, it's about keeping things simplified, okay? Everything here is very, very simple, okay? The next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create something called evergreen content, okay? Now, it's different to your standard content. You might have seen content on Instagram, for example, that's very lifestyle-y and it's not really SEO driven and it doesn't really kind of have a purpose, and its lifespan is literally this. You're flicking and it's like that. The buying process is very, very different, and the content creation is very different on short form content than it is on, say, YouTube, where you can create evergreen content that is awesome, okay? Now, evergreen content is things like how-to videos, you know, how to use System.io, how to sell digital products, how to build a house, how to plant a tree, all that kind of stuff. Because the way that people use YouTube is they're coming onto YouTube and you will see the little search bar that's up the top right there, okay? They're asking a question. And in there, if you can answer that question with your video, right? And you come up as soon as that person has asked that question in YouTube, that is evergreen content, okay? Because people are asking questions all of the time. The same with Google. Okay, people are asking questions in Google as well. If you answer with a video and you put it on YouTube, it's going to show up in Google. And funnily enough, and I remember seeing this last year, ChatGPT and some of the other AI tools where people are doing research and search and things like that, videos are also appearing there as well. So if you create that evergreen content, then you don't have to create heaps and heaps and heaps of short form content all of the time. You can, only if you want to, I'd say, but that evergreen content, when you create those videos that are searchable through YouTube or through Google or through AI, anything like that, then that is what is going to get views on that content, and then that's what's going to bring people to your funnel. They're going to see your one core product, your one digital product, and then they're going to make a decision whether to buy or not. Now, the very, very last thing that you need to do is you need to have automated emails, okay? Because you're not going to be living with your computer, you're not going to be sitting there with your phone, and you're not going to be having a sale come from your funnel and then go, oh, crap, how do I actually deliver this? You are going to set up automated emails, and you can do that with System.io, okay? Like I said before, System.io literally does everything. So it can create digital products as well, but so you are building the funnel with System.io, you're having that one core product hosted on System.io, and then you're also delivering it through your email campaigns or your automated emails once people have bought from your funnel, okay? So basically, you are looking at steps 1, 2, 3, and 5. Those are all automated, okay? So because they are all automated with System.io, and because you kept it really simple, and you're building on one system, which is System.io, you're building with one funnel, one core product, and delivering everything with those automated emails, all you focus on is really number 4, okay, which is creating that evergreen content. This is literally the 5-step system that I've built, and this is literally what I focus on all the time. Once you get once you set everything up and once you get really, really good at it, all you really need to do is start tweaking very, very small things to make sales or make things better, okay? So because you've focused on that one platform, which is System.io, by then you'll be a guru. So you can come to your funnel and you can go, hey, what's going on with my funnel? What's happening with the stats? How can I make it better? Same thing with your product. How can I look at my one core product? How can I make the stats better? How can I make this digital product better for clients? And then it's exactly the same with the emails. You can look at the stats through System.io, and you can just go through this whole 5-step process and just look at small things and figure out how you can improve things. And the reason why I like doing evergreen content on YouTube is because the same thing. You can look at the stats, you can see everything, and then basically once you've had all of that set up, you just go through and make sure that everything is, performing really well. And the analytics in YouTube are super simple to understand. I find it really hard on other platforms to understand different analytics and things like that. But when you go into the back end of YouTube and you have a look at your videos and why they're performing or why they're not performing, it makes so much sense. So if you're feeling like you're super exhausted from, content overwhelm or having to post every day and things are just like really overwhelming you, it doesn't have to be that way. Selling digital products automatically and getting automatic income doesn't come from chaos or posting randomly or having all these systems and overwhelming yourself. It actually comes from building something that works for you and building something that's super simple. Now, if you want to learn how to structure things properly and you actually want to learn how to create digital products that sell and build real freedom, exactly how I've done, I've got my free masterclass and you will learn everything that you need to know in there. So definitely jump on board. Link is in the comment section below somewhere, and I will see you in the class.